Steelhead is the all-in-one job shop and manufacturing ERP that enables you to move parts, not paper. Steelhead unlocks 6 key outcomes for you and your business. Number 1 is visibility. Number 2 is profit and efficiency. Number 3 is control and traceability. Number 4 is data-driven insight. Number 5 is exceptional customer service. And number 6 is freedom. Number 1 is visibility. Visibility unlocks every other outcome that you're looking for when you switch to an all-in-one ERP with a digital plant floor. When your shop lacks visibility, yourself, your management team, your operators, even your customers are constantly asking a very simple question in one way or another. Where are the parts and what is the status? When every single person inside your business and even outside your business knows the answer to that question in real time and they have all the information they need relative to that order, it unlocks a tremendous amount of power and efficiency for your business. Number 2 is profit and efficiency. So here, we want to take all of our non-value add costs in our business and drive as close to zero as possible. Also, we want to look at every single customer, every single job, and make sure that there's a healthy profit profile associated with that. We want to make sure we're doing the work that best aligns with our capabilities so we can take that profit and invest it in growth of our business, invest it in our employees, our customers, and equipment. Number 3 is control and traceability. Control and traceability allows us to not only track the rework issues we have, but also prevent them from happening in the first place. Number 4 is data-driven insight. This is all about making better decisions faster, whether it impacts rework, whether it impacts our general business, how's business doing in different lines, or very importantly, margins. Number 5 is my favorite, exceptional customer service. I was just at a shop in Toronto yesterday, and I was speaking with a lady named Kathy who had 300 emails. And it was 12:30. It was lunchtime. This is not only a drag on their business because they need to spend the time corresponding with customers, it's also a drag on the customer experience. We've all become used to having instant access to information, and especially when we send our parts or we're waiting on our order, whether it's a pizza or anything else, we think that in job shops and manufacturing, it should be no different. So at Steelhead, we're incredibly excited about our customer portal, which allows your customer to have instant access to a great digital experience where they can see all of the orders and all the information they need in real time. This includes historical documents like quotes, shipping, certifications, invoicing, but also live part status. Not only will it save you time and money, but your customers are going to thank you and stay with you for life. Number 6, and finally, is freedom. So if you're a smaller shop, oftentimes you're an owner, you're involved directly in the business. And if you're like Dan from Wisconsin, this means you are coming in personally on Saturdays to invoice, taking a stack of papers, cranking them into QuickBooks. Freedom is one of the things you lose when you're running your business on a bunch of inefficient systems that just don't get the job done. This causes you to spend time chasing papers, sitting on phone calls with customers that could be automated away, or chasing down parts, or answering questions that you've answered 1,000 times over. With Steelhead, with the all-in-one platform and a digital plant floor, the goal is to put time back on your calendar so you can work on what you think is important. There's 3 easy ways to learn more. 1 is you can check out our resources page on our website. Number 2, you can join a monthly webinar. And number 3, you can book a demo with a sales representative to learn more about the platform and go through a custom demo so you can compete and win the digital production floor and unlock these 6 incredible value drivers.